stupid hurricane. So we're gonna go get wet today. What water park are we going to? Remember? At the beach.
I'll double check.
Let's check the itinerary. Oh, put the clothes away. Oh, bouncy bed.
Bed today.
Oh, on the second page now.
Monday the 25th of June. Blizzard Beach.
There's a beach.
Mm-hmm.
Fair enough. Didn't do that one. And what's there after that? Animal Kingdom. May need to stop and change that one around too. So Wednesday and then Thursday is Typhoon Lagoon. Well, at least there were wet things to do. I know.
Where?
Out the window. My pool's nearly full. Had to bring out the waterproof camera. We're gonna be getting wet all day today anyway. Yeah, good point. Storm damage. Ugh. How warm is it? Sorry, Stella. Not very. That away. They're just going to be busy.
Mm-hmm.
Got juice?
Did you pork out too much on the first lot? Oh no, what are you going to do?
Have a waffle.
I'm having waffles and then I'm going to have some pancake.
And pancake.
Yeah.
Ah.
You should get peanut butter and chicken sandwich.
No, I'm probably not going to do that. That sounds weird. You're always just jellies and jellies, yeah.
Hi, Donald. It's a duck's weather today. And it's on blue sky.
All your friends to a photo finish. Come back again every Wednesday and
Hi, Disney bus. Yay.
and make Fridays your days to splash and swim in a double waist pool that's hilariously fun in the sun.
Oh, big puddle.
Day for only $59.99. Play all day.
Huge puddle.
To the air.
Oh.
Yeah. No queuing.
Okay, we're at Blizzard Beach. It's raining. There's no one here, and there's like 4 rows of cars in the car park. Hopefully, it's gonna be alright. It's not very busy.
No.
Oh, Christmas song. Batman sells Robin laid an egg. Guys, are cold.
This is absolutely full of tree. Oh, I missed it! Just jump up in it backwards.
Probably the only person ever to fall off of it.
Well.
There you go. We're gonna get wet
I
now.
don't think there's any queues for anything. And there's loads of it screaming.
It's a family ride.
Okay.
Is it, what is it like?
We all sit in a big ring, yeah. There's that one, look.
Yeah, yeah. Ah! Hang on, when they... Oh.
It's like 6 flights of stairs.
No.
And we're still going.
That's what happens when there's no queue, you have to walk the whole lot.
In one go. And there are queues, you wait. You're ever on one step.
Right over there again.
And you'd top size that.
I've been on it before, I don't have to do it again. And I had a full swimming costume on last time, not a bikini.
If you lose it,
I will.
you not yes, please don't put them on me.
Sure.
Yes. You might find yourself dumped somewhere you don't want.
Okay.
I'm gonna give it a go.
Time's up. Are they waiting?
That's him.
Yeah.
Is it him?
Yeah.
Yay! Finally! It took a while. Are you in pain?
No.
Massive press. Look at it.
Oh,
Didn't know as much as the other one.
really?
Yeah.
It's not very well lit out here. It's raining. I don't even know what county we're in. Dinner!
Yay! Steak.
Steak.
Meat.
Brightened up a little bit. However, it's very flooded. Kinda.
Oh, sorry.
He just locked us in. So what we've been left with. That's a storm drain. It's full. There's the other end. We're having dinner again at Longhorns. It's a steakhouse. And Grady, I have a Diet Coke and a cocktail. And a shaker full of cocktail. It's nice.
Actually, I feel like a big steak. Yum.
I've got to film the dinner. Which is man steak. I have a steak too. Cheese and bacon in it. Bethany has Parmesan chicken in a sandwich. Mac and cheese. And there's my drinks again, because they're awesome. Oh, the joke. Where did it go?
I won't count that one.
Yeah, we'll take a shot each.
Yeah.
I just got a hole in one. We didn't film it.
Bethany's in a big puddle. It's been raining. Hang on a sec. What is this?
Each player spins the wheel before his or her first shot and follows the instruction on the arrow.
Okay. Go on, Bethany, spin it.
Double whammy. You're unable. What?
If you're unable to complete this hole in 2 shots, you must put 4 on the scorecard for the hole.
Best one getting 2 shots then.
That's not fair. I'm never gonna get it in your. Where's the
Okay.
black spot?
So this time Bethany has to use the wrong end of her club to hit the ball on her first shot. Here she is. Upside down. Wait! No drama there whatsoever.
I'll put it there.
Alright.
It's gonna get blown in, isn't it?
Don't forget to spin it.
Oh my god.
Ace in the hole. If you get a hole in one on this hole, add 1 stroke to all opponents, and opponent's score for this hole. Well, I'm not going to get a hole in one, so I wouldn't worry about it. Whoa. Try to block it. Oh my god.
Oh god! Fish it out.
Look at that bit of water.